So guys, everything I bought today at the market where I was thrifting was 100 shillings. So I got myself a couple of spaghetti tops. So I got them in, this is off-white. This was 100 shillings. I also got another one in the shade of gray, that one. Then I got another one in navy blue. Then I got another one. This is in charcoal gray. The last one I got was in red. So I got 5 spaghetti tops. This is in red, in gray, in charcoal gray, in navy blue, in gray, and off-white. So this was a good deal at 100 shillings each, and they are in very, very good quality. So those were the first items that I thrifted. So the next things I thrifted was some tops. This is a gray cotton top. It has some buttons here. This was also at 100 shillings. I also got this checked brown, white, and black top. It's checked and has some very fancy sleeves. These ones. This I also got at 100 shillings. And I got this chiffon top. This one. It was also going for 100 shillings. I love the details at the bottom. It has some small pearls. That one. And I got a cream top. It's also chiffon. Also going for 100 shillings. And I got another chiffon top. This is floral and in navy blue. Also loved the details of the sleeves. This was the last chiffon top. It's a polka dot chiffon top with some white sleeves. So I got myself about 5 tops. So once more, this was polka dot in black, navy blue floral, beige with a print, light blue chiffon, checked brown, and a white cotton top. So those are the items I thrifted today, being a Saturday. Then I also passed by the fish markets. We normally buy our fish either at Gikomba market or at the city market. So this is the first kind of fish that I bought. So I've washed my hands after showing you the thrifted items. So this is the first variety of fish that I bought. I will write down the English name for this kind of fish. And as you can see, they've already been cleaned for us at the market. So that is what they look like. And they are very, very yummy. These are salty water fish. So I'll put the name at the bottom of this video. The next variety of fish that I got from the city market, pack this. They pack them very well after cutting them and cleaning them for you. Clean film. So this is, and as you can see, they've already cut them into small pieces. So for every piece of fish, we normally get 3 pieces cut out of it. So this is the variety of fish called taffy in Kiswahili. I will get the English name. So this is the tail part of the taffy. This is the middle part, and this is the head. If you realize, the taffy fish, it's kind of different. Doesn't have the scaly look like most a fish would have. So that's taffy. Also a salty water fish. So when, as you can see, once you buy fish from the city market, they will clean it for you, of course on request. So when you come home, you will just clean a little bit and cook it or pack it until you're ready to cook.